Did you know that a strong grade point average is the #1 factor to get into a top college? Colleges look at a high schooler's GPA from the start of their ninth grade all the way until senior year. In fact, top colleges seek strong GPAs from well-rounded high school courses that include a healthy share of honors classes and advanced placement AP classes. The average U.S. high school student sees their high school counselor less than a handful of times during an entire 4-year span. Designed by doctors and Ivy League graduates, our GPA and Regents program helps your high schooler ace their high school subjects. Where science classes like chemistry and physics have never been easier. Ace your Algebra and Geometry Regents. We even cover AP subjects and AP exam prep for May. Take our classes from the comfort of your own home and earn that scholarship of your dreams. Call us today for your free classes.